Welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. A couple of days ago I got a check engine light and I checked the code with my code reader and I received a P0420, which basically stands for Catalytic Converter Below Efficiency. So I decided I'm gonna use a catalytic converter declogger. A lot of people, you may think I actually should change the O2 because sometimes the O2 sensors will trigger that code, but those on the passenger side, upper stream and lower stream O2 sensors has been changed, so I don't think that is a problem. I think because the catalytic converter is OEM, which is about 14 years old and about 300,000 kilometers, either it's clogged or it's just at the end of its life. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this product in. It's a product called Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment. I purchased it from Canadian Tire for $19.99, $20. $20 is a lot cheaper than replacing a catalytic converter. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to work or it's not going to work. I watched a couple of reviews and read a couple of reviews on the internet, and some people say it works, some people say it doesn't work. It's a mixed feeling, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, well, too bad. Now, there is another option. A lot of people who actually used a varnish or paint thinner, and they swear by it. I'm pretty sure you will know another YouTuber called Scotty Kilmer, and Scotty Kilmer suggested to use paint thinner, and I believe from the smell of it, this product and paint thinner is very close consistency product, or this could be just a repackaged paint thinner. That would really suck, but I hope that's not the case. Well, I'm gonna drive it for today, and I'll let you know if the light goes off. I will also plug in my coder and check the check the catalytic converter temperature, because the higher the temp, the better it will be in terms of burning the things. Let's see. I'll keep you guys posted.
Hey everybody, welcome to another day. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the Duralube catalytic converter cleaner that I used in my Nissan Xterra with a clogged catalytic converter, and I'm disappointed to say that it didn't really work. When I put the treatment into my tank, I had half tank of gas. I ran it all the way until I refilled it, and then since then I used 2 more tanks of gas, and I still have the light. I cleared it, it keeps coming back. Just to say that I don't think this product is doing the job that I needed to do, partly because my cat may not be clogged, maybe it's just it is under the efficiency level, so I really need a new cat, or it didn't do the job. I'm gonna leave it at that because it's hard to say if it's gonna do the job. And again, when I purchased this unit, I definitely wanted to use it with a pinch of salt, because there's no guarantee that these things work. If you have any experience using a product like this, please leave it at the comment section. I would love to know. And if you think I didn't do it the right way, let me know. I would love to know. The last thing I want to do is change the cat, and if I can get away by using something else, I will do it. Leave it in the comment section, and also please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.